boxes. So we have the first one is a Plarail talking Percy. According to the seller, it is not working. You know what could be nice if this spoken in English, but I know it's Japanese. I know Plarail is Japanese. So we need two AAA batteries. I don't know what he's saying. Hold on. So this one works. The listing says it's not working. Works good, good. Now, how does... Okay, so when it rolls, it talks. It makes it talk. That's good. It's working. Next box also from the same seller. For parts are not working. So any incredible, like a sun faded, but they are not sun faded. So Caitlin, Tolkien Gordon, Thomas, missing the coupler. What else? Spencer, Plarail. This one looks longer than the Trackmaster. Connor. What else? James. What is the tender? I think it's so tender. So this one is Plarail. Okay. We're gonna find out if these are really non-working. So this is Connor's passenger car. Oh, this one looks smaller than the Trackmaster. Plarail. Definitely smaller. I'm gonna compare this in a minute. All this should be Plarail according to the seller and non-working. Hero. I think this Trackmaster Revolution. Oh, this one is glow in the dark. And Spencer's passenger coach car. I'll start with Trackmaster Revolutions. I think this one is a glow. So yeah, it's a glow in the dark. And this thing works. No doubt, it's working. Well, maybe the seller did not have the time to check the engines. So where I was looking underneath and it's on the top. See, I'm not good with Plarail, but this one works. It's not really bad, actually. This one works. It's just a little loud, but easy fix. See, trying to compare side by side. Just a little shorter. Maybe it's because of the design. For this one is the motorized engine, and this is a motorized tender. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side also. This next is a Plarail James. How does this thing goes? And this one also working, so I can't believe it. Yeah, like I said, I think the seller maybe had not the time to check. This one works. Plarail James. and the turn for hero. Oh yeah, this one is on the back. Let's see if this one requires a C battery. Looks okay. And also working. Yeah, so yeah, I know that the listing states it's not working for pads, but they do work. So that was a good deal. So far so good. How do you open it? Here. So this one is Plarail. Look at the motor design. I mean the gearbox. It's not like a normal Trackmaster. This one definitely works. For a moment I thought it might not be working, but it's working. Good, good, good. Works good. I need to make some room for the next boxes, and I still have more like I don't know if this one is Plarail, but it's Spencer, also in working condition. Yeah, I might buy more from this seller. It seems that the engines are good, are in good condition actually. No problems at all. Maybe they just need a little cleaning, and I think that's it. There is another Caitlin, comes with the battery. This one I don't think it's gonna work, but hey, we're gonna try with I need to replace that battery terminal, but works. Motor sounds good, so let me remove some of this. Maybe works now with wow. I thought it might not work, but it's really working. So I just need to replace that battery terminal. Other than that, a little cleaning, the dusting, and it's good. And I think Talking Gordon, we have Talking Gordon. The next takes three Plarail batteries and looks clean. So I assume this one is Trackmaster. I don't think this one is Plarail. Well, we found the first one that is, it seems to be there. Yeah, this one definitely. Am I putting the batteries wrong way? No, this one definitely needs some repair. And the last one we have is one Thomas, the tank engine. I don't know if is that battery corrosion right there. Maybe. No, it's not. I don't see any battery corrosion. But so far so good. We got good motors that are in working condition. This one looks clean. Okay, I see. One wheel does not turn, does not spin. That's easy fix. At least it works. And it's coupler. The next bags, according to the seller, they are in working condition. And from this box we have some sort of paint splattered Thomas. I don't remember in which set or what's the name set called, but all around looks really good. Check the battery, and indeed it works really good. It seems that there is no problems with this one. It's Thomas, it's 2009 Mattel. Works good. Comes with a middle dummy wheels. You always these little dummy wheels. You sometimes you don't find it on the available. Come on, what is it? Because those really small dummy wheels are, you know, they lost them all the time while they play and never find them. So this one is Plarail, I mean, a little corrosion there. Trackmaster Revolution Flynn. We can replace that battery terminal. So lately I've been replacing the battery terminals, not trying to, hold on, not trying to remove the corrosion. I've just replaced the battery terminals. It's better. Works a little, maybe a little slower, but it's good. Not bad, not bad. And then the next one is Arthur. You know, I always remember when I hear the word, the name Arthur, I always remember this movie, Arthur and the Ninimoys. I think it's the Ninimoys. This one might need some cleaning, a little bit of cleaning. See, that the problem with this design is that you, in order to put it back, you always need to turn the switch to the on position, or sometimes you cannot even put this top shell. Kind of a little slow, so we might need to replace the motor or clean up everything inside. Might have some inside problems. The next one is Flint Trackmaster 1. Looks okay and works. Maybe needs a little cleaning, but other than that, it's good. From these packs, I know the seller says only broken, completely broken for parts. And it's really broken for parts. Look at this poor Edward. Wow, it seems like, oh, look at this side rods, broken wires. It's not even blue, it's green. Oh well, for parts. Ready? Look at this. The face is almost gone. Really old. Extremely packed, but anyways, it is a troublesome number one according to the Thomas and Friends toys. This was kind of listed as troublesome one, if I don't mistaken. Obviously, it's the way they describe it. Is this even paint? I thought it was the real color of the. Anyways, so the next is Annie Spencer's tender. So that's good because I have a lot of Spencers that they need a tender. Nice Breakman. This is good. So it's taking me too long to unbox this thing. What happened to Thomas? Oh, it's kind of dirt. So when we get these for parts, I like him. Because I can get some parts out of this. This one seems to be completely dead. It seems, but now I can see it runs. There's no contact on the battery. Is this broken? Well, the motor works. That's good, and we have good battery terminal. Still, I can use that for parts since the chassis is really bad shape. Next, here it comes with I think it's Tomy. Yes, Tomy Percy. And we don't know if motor looks good, battery terminals are good. It's broken on the corner. It's kind of a stressed corner. But we have a box full of these purses, and we might be able to swap some parts. I don't know if we can make it work. No. It seems that this definitely, hold on. I'm gonna try to put it right here. Nope. No, I think I'm not gonna be able to. Like I say, it's listing say that was for parts, but this Percy definitely not working. And I think that no, there's one more thing here. It's just a milk tanker with a little scribble on the sides. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe.